Frankfurt Football Club has been training here over their head coach Olivia led for the UEFA Champions League game against Napoli Football Club, and during the interview the manager Olivia, Frankfurt manager, said he is just well prepared, and of course he knows well as an opponent has so solid and difficulty, and he knows also Napoli now is just a best and a very technical team. So he understands, or he said that he understands well Napoli Football Club has they used mostly techniques which are very difficult. The set pieces that they create makes the opponent team to be unblocked, and of course, as the manager also says, he has quality players. He has very experienced players who knows well how to make man marking, and of course that's what Frankfurt manager Olivia depends on. He depends much on his attacking midfield and his defensive midfield to restrict the dangers of Napoli Football Club, as he knows there is a dangerous striker, and there is Osman, the dangerous striker, the Nigerian, who is just scoring who scored a lot of goals with Napoli Football Club. He understands and he knows all, and he is just preparing to make sure that he restricts the dangerous, he restricts the threats of Osman as a player who is most important on the squad. In fact, here Frankfurt shows like they are well prepared to face Napoli. According to their head manager, who says he is confident enough, his club and players are confident enough, and he is just welcoming much fans to come and support their team.